Hey guys, in this video we will be installing the 2021 Fox 3638 Mudguard. It's exclusive for 2021 Fox forks. It's a very cool product. You don't need zip ties. It basically just bolts on and it's integrated with your fork. So inside the bag, here I open it already. You have the actual mudguard right there, and two little screws that we will use later on. Alright, so first thing you do is loosen up this bleeder valves right here. Mine doesn't have the bleeder valves, it just has the spot for it. But if you do have the bleeder valves, you will use a 13mm socket, and if you don't, you just use a 5mm hex key. I already loosened it up, but yes, you just unscrew both sides right there. Don't loose them either, and that opens up those spots. And then next thing you need is your mudguard, and it goes like that. It goes on top, and you just tighten it hand tight, and do the other side. Then the next thing is you get your 2.5 hex key and two little screws, which will go on the top of the fork right there. So it's very small, just make sure you don't lose it. So you just put it right there, hand tight. And put the other one. Just like that. It's very small, so just be careful not to destroy the thread. Alright, and that's it. You have your fully integrated bolted Fox mudguard.